So, this is one. Let me solve this as well. So, the same procedure you solve this is the same way you solve others. So, we have integral x minus 3 all squared with x with respect to the x. So, to integrate this, what we need to do is to expand this brackets. If we don't expand this bracket, there's no way we can expand, because even if you put substitution method, there's no way we'll get a standard integration for this. So likewise, this, if you want to integrate this, we expand this. If you want to integrate this, we expand it. To integrate this, we find the fraction of each with respect to the denominator. So let me just solve this. And to solve this, I will have a integral. So I want to have, by the time I expand this, I will have x squared minus 6x, then plus 9 root x with respect to this. So I want to use this to multiply this. I will have an integral. So this, don't forget, this is the same as root r. This is the same as x to the power of half. So this times this times this times this. So we have a x, so that is this times this, to just be this power, which is 2 plus half. That is the power of this and this. We add it, then minus. So when we multiply this by this, we have 6 x to the power of 1 plus half as well. Then plus this times this, 9x to the power of half, all with respect to the x. So this is the same thing as an integral. So when we add this and this over 1, so this times this will give us a 5. That is x raised to the power of 5 all over 2 minus 6 x raised to the power of 3 over 2 plus this will be 9x raised to the power of half. So all with respect to the x. So this is also polynomial function. We apply method direct. So what do we do? Differentiate this. We have x raised to the power of 5 over 2. So we are adding 1. Anytime we are, you know, when we are differentiating, we do subtract 1. But here we are adding 1. So minus this will also be 6x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1. Then plus 9x to the power of half plus 1. Then always remember your constant term, which is plus c. So this will give us x raised to the power. This will give us this over 1. So by the time we add as well, we are going to have this will be 7 over 2 minus 6 x to the power of this will be 5 over 2 plus 9 x to the power of 3 over 2, then plus c. If you wish, we can take it back to this root, and to do that, that means this will be equal to square root of x to the power of 7 and minus 6 root x to the power of 5 plus 9 root x to the power of 3, then plus c. So this is the answer. Like I said, you can apply the same procedure to others. So you can solve this, just the same function. This is the same thing as you are saying x squared over root x, then plus 3x over root x plus 4 over root x. So this can also be further. You know, we are going to integrate it. So this is the same thing as x raised to the power 2 all over x raised to the power half. So when you apply law of indices, so this will give you x raised to the power 2 minus half. So by the time you simplify it, to solve it in this procedure. So that is all about the polynomial functions of integration.